which aren't very comfortable to move around and do so many things. So then she tried